Dean. Hopefully I'm a better person. I did a lot of things I shouldn't have done. And this is about that. So don't get offended, this is what's happening out there. Check it, listen up. I see used reduced to savage acts, clapping straps, pumping crap through dilapidated flats, deteriorated souls coagulate in this habitat, caught between delusion and trying to stack in this ghetto Tetris where blocks are infectious, fiends jabbing their flesh like tetanus, trying to escape the fire like asbestos, consumed by colonized perspectives, fossilize my methods. I stare through a block window of a balcony, blocks surrounding me, lights flicker from council houses where the powder be. It scrapes the roof of her brain when she's snorting on an off muscle with a fetus at the edge of the bed, but that ain't important. She pushed her first kid from a polluted cervix on this cursed surface, seeking salvation from the churches, but the vicar gave her liquor and some bread. Blood of my blood, flesh of my flesh, the doctrine of the dead. Her egg hacked into an adolescent, a savage who clapped weapons, embarrassed by black presence, because they said he had a big nose with gap teeth. Low self-esteem came with strength, with the power he possessed over fiends. How we could get on all fours, make her run fraud and shopping malls, caress a ball when you bored, chop an 8-ball, take her man's beamer, because he's a crackhead too. He likes to scratch his veins by the heater, hitting shoots on a North Cirque A406, hustlers politic on branching out in the sticks. I was a youth man, caught in a patternized predicament, just like you, but you chose to glamorize the ignorance. Yo, and these are all new verses, I haven't committed them to memory.